Hello, lifestylers. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. We are getting there, guys. We are getting there. Anyways, guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. If it's your first time over here, thank you so much for stopping by. But, if you like it over here, don't hesitate. We are very welcoming. So go ahead and just hit that subscribe button. Turn your post notification on. Give your girl a thumbs up and just comment in the comment section. New subby in the building. Yes, guys. So if you're new here, welcome. And for all my real lifestylers, my real OG who supports me every time I drop a video, I love you all. Thank you so much for your continued support. All right, so guys, tonight may I tidy up my room. Yes, I'm tidying up my room and I'm doing it with you guys. Yeah, guys, I haven't changed my bedding for Christmas yet. So I'm doing it tonight. So I'm like, why not do it with my lifestylers? Yes. Why not do it with you all? So guys, adapt me to. That's my point today. I'm cleaning my room. Guys. I bet my Jamaican peeps and my American peeps, they already put on them Christmas sheet. Guys, who put on them Christmas sheet already? Drop in the comment section. Come you know me well late, Me know me well late.
Yeah.
Is that Daddy?
You gonna eat?
Daddy gonna eat his lunch.
Charge? What do you eat? What do you eat? What do you eat?
Supper, rice and fish.
I eat it already.
I know, no.
I eat this rice.
Yes.
Eating the same thing.
Yeah, I don't have chicken. But I don't have chicken.
He said fish.
Where you go back door, love
Okay.
you.
Guys, Miss Promise got a phone call. Girl got a phone call. Oof. Guys, my back is backing. Guys, what kind of sheet do you all use on your bed in the winter time? Guys, I love flannel. I do love cotton, but I like me flannel. I use cotton mostly in the winter time, in the summertime. And I use flannel during the winter months. So guys, guys, I didn't buy any new sheets or comforter because I have a couple. So I'm using back this green comforter. But I did buy a green throw. I think I did show you guys. So I'm using this here. And these pillowcases. Because this blanket, this comforter heavy. Heavy.
Hey guys, the girl is cleaning.
Come and help.
And who helped me?
I will.
Who? You?
Yeah.
How are you guys doing? How's the Christmas shopping? How's the rum cake?
They don't want to talk.
How's
To
the
get.
sorry?
Don't talk to the back.
Don't
Don't
talk to the back.
Come around and talk to them.
Guys, we don't listen to aggressive tone and behavior.
Don't talk to the back.
We're already in 2025. We don't respond to 2024 comments.
I don't like
Yes,
that for my
guys.
lifestylers.
They okay.
Who said that?
I'm speaking on their behalf. I am a lifestyler too. We okay.
Guys, now listen to Sheena. Guys, me no night with her, you know. Because a late night cleaning this.
Late night cleaning, late night posting.
Why you have to add?
Huh?
You couldn't subtract.
Late night movie.
A Sunday matinee. That's what you say, Carl. Sunday matinee.
Am I safe to go down the stairs?
Huh? Guys, guys, we don't even like with her, like, you know, with her. Do that? Guys, the care and honestly, from their vlog, guys, like, why is my family still running from the camera? Huh? Why? I come like only me when the world fishes so. Guys, think I cleaned all the furniture. Guys, my back now gave me tonight for go down. My next day, I have to clean in moderation, guys. Moderation? Yeah, moderation. Guys, what's wrong with Tina? What do I guys? Now look on her. I'm not looking at her.
Hey, you better cut out my head, you know. Because my ear don't come. Yes, promise.
It's Lifetime movie.
Just like that. Pull it up with your feet. Yeah.
Tina, it's Lifetime movie.
No, I didn't sign up for this. Good job.
Guys, I have a basket of laundry to fold away. So I'm going to do it real quick, guys. Real quick. Guys, you see me, you know? I like the laundry, you know, guys, but you see the folding part? I don't know. See, guys, it's a good thing. Because I wanted this green, pillowcase. I gotta iron it to put on the big pillows. Because as you see, guys, I didn't put the big pillow. So I'm gonna iron these and put on the big pillows. Iron them up. Iron them down. Guys, I couldn't see my bingo baggy them. No, no, no. So guys, I'm gonna iron these green pillowcase. They don't look like they match, but they match the throw. Matches this, guys. So this one is just a little tad brighter, but it matches it. But guys, I don't like putting crushed stuff I'm gonna iron it out. Because that pillow, I don't sleep on it. Yeah. I don't sleep on that pillow. Guys, Mr. Guys, tired. Guys, I'm finally finished, guys. I'm finally finished. But I'm glad I got it over with. So that simple means I don't have to do this tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do tomorrow, I'm gonna tidy up my washroom, which is a simple thing because I cleaned it maybe 4 days ago. So it's just a quick 1-2 because I do keep up with my washroom. So I'm gonna show you what the room looks like. Guys, I know nothing fussy. I'm sure you guys even saw this bedrooms comforter set on my bed before, but guys, this is Christmas come and done already, guys. So I'm not gonna do the whole decor and all that, but I just want to know when Christmas come, my room just feels good. Thank you for tuning in to another Vlogmas video. Thank you for watching and see you on Vlogmas 23. I'm almost there. Bye, guys. So, guys, here it is. Room nice and clean and cozy. Yeah. Yes, guys. This is it. Guys, my bath and body candle is almost done, guys. This candle is so strong. I only can burn it for like 10 minutes strong. Guys, this is it.
Sweats on, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say